coronavirus is ruining my life and I have to leave my college. Uh-oh. Basically, if you are new here, my name's Brooke. I go to Michigan State University in the United States, and the United States has an outbreak of the coronavirus. It's just really, really great. Big clusterfuck right now, and my college shut down. All our classes got moved online until April 20th, which is like almost 2 months of online classes, which is insane. April 20th is, I think, like a week before finals, so I don't know if they're expecting us to come back for finals or something. I honestly highly doubt they'll make us come back for finals, because I think that's even more dangerous to have everyone traveling back. I'm from New York. That's where I live. That's where my family is. I am moving back to New York very abruptly, and I'm really upset about it. I don't want to leave all my friends. I don't want to leave my apartment. There's no way I can like visit my friends like easily. So I'm upset. Sad boy hours. I just went and got a coffee from Starbucks because I need to pack up my entire apartment today because my mom and dad are coming to get me. They're actually driving up right now, and then we're gonna leave tomorrow morning. But I'm moving literally everything. My bed, my desk, everything. They're getting a U-Haul. But the thing is, it's also a Friday. So I wanted to kind of tell you guys what's going on with my classes. So I kind of wanted to do like a day in the life of when your school has a little altercation with the coronavirus. So I'm going to be doing a lot of packing today. Not a lot of packing, all of my packing today. I really want to just get it all finished before my parents come. I don't really want them to have to do it. I just want to do it all. But I also have 2 classes today. They're obviously moved online, so I have a lot. Oh, I'm spilling. I need to get packing. My room's also a mess because this week has honestly just been crazy for me. So I think I'm gonna put on a podcast. My favorite podcast, if you do not know, is The Skinny Confidential. I have a lot that I love, but Skinny Confidential, definitely up there. But I'm gonna set you guys up because I kind of have to do like a big clean first, and then we can get to packing. Here's that. This is something I've never done before, but I've always seen it on Pinterest. Just like taking garbage bags and putting like your stuff that's on hangers in them, so then all you have to do is like rip off the garbage bag and you can just hang everything up, because this takes so long to like take everything off, pack it up, and then take it back out, hang it up. I'll let you guys know how this works, but I'm gonna do this with some more stuff. I have a lot of stuff still in my closet. I really haven't done much at all in here, so this is what I need to do. Honestly, I haven't really done much in my room either. I've just been like working on this area, which had like a ton of clothes. So my parents are gonna be here in like an hour, so I'm just gonna continue working on all of this. I did some laundry. I started packing up some things over here. This is so heavy and full of all like my sweaters and things. Those are bathing suits. Gotta pack up my desk. I'm just watching Caitlin. She's another MSU vlogger while I pack everything up. I think my parents are grabbing us like a nice dinner, but like takeout of like this nice dinner place. So let's get back to it. These IKEA bags are lifesavers. If you guys are going to college or in like next fall, or honestly just like moving in general, these IKEA bags are awesome. I think my mom actually ordered these for me off of Amazon. As you can see, like this one just is like open in the top, which is like great for just honestly like books or just like anything. And I usually like tie the 2 straps together so everything's very like secure in there. But for clothes and things that I don't want to like risk falling out, these ones are just like this, except for they have zippers, which is so nice. So I really recommend getting these, especially if you're moving to college. This has helped me like so much. I feel like right now this is all kind of like not real yet. I mean, obviously it'll be real like now that I'm packing, it feels more real, but I really hope it doesn't come to the point, like I know I'm making jokes and stuff, but where we're all like stuck inside and stuff, and that would be really scary. But I'm so sad to leave my cozy room, you guys. I love my room so much, you guys, and my apartment, and I'm like really upset right now. I'm really sad. So sad, guys. And I love this window and the light that shines in over here like on my shelves. It's also so blue and sunny outside, which is like, today's such a sad day. Everyone's like Snapchatting each other and texting. We're all like so sad, but the weather is so nice and it just like makes it even sadder because it's usually just like gloomy and like cold outside. I don't know, feeling emotional. So all my classes are online for basically the rest of the year, I'm assuming. They said April 20th is when we'll go back to having in class, whatever. But that's basically finals, and I doubt they're gonna have us come back because that'll be even more dangerous. But I mean, we'll see what happens. I wouldn't mind coming back to see everyone as long as it's safe. But for one of my classes, we had to do like a discussion. So we had to like read this short story. Oh, is it gone? Oh, it ended at 6 p.m. so it's probably gone now. All my lectures will be online like video form. Zoom is basically like this platform where it's almost like a FaceTime, but it's like a one-way FaceTime. I think there's options where you could see like all the students on it, but usually it's just like me sitting here watching my professor. He can't like see me or anything. The sun is shining so bright and directly at me right now. You can't even see me. I think next week I want to do like a week in my life or a couple days in my life showing you guys more in depth of like my online classes and kind of the process, because honestly I just want to take you guys through it with me. I have no idea what's going on right now. This is all just a ton of chaos. I just want to stay safe. I hope all of you are staying safe and wash your hands and just please stay safe because it's really scary and freaking me out. If any of you guys have had this happen to like your school or your college, let me know, and let me know like how long you guys are planning on having the online classes, if they've told you guys, or kind of just like what's going on right now with you guys, no matter where you are in the world. I hope you're safe. I'm really emotional today. I really don't want to leave. I need to get back to packing right now, so I'm gonna hit you guys with another montage.
All my friends are from out of state. TikTok started. Let's say less. I don't want to go home. This sucks. She has to go back home to California. Out of staters be hitting different. Yeah, it really hits different. If you think, you know, that we're about to go. Chips and salsa.
Rip. They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here.
No, I'm actually sad for all of them because, like, I'm sad, but they're all freshmen, so, like, it's their freshman year.
I would rather be dead in East Lansing than home and alive.
That's where we're at right now. It's not good. Yeah, no, it's worse at home. I'm better off here.
One last hurrah. Corona season.
Cheers.
Leah's a mood for the night.
Leah's the worst of them all. It's not going well.
I am not okay. I cried 7 times.
Like,
we have a masquerade theme party tonight.
Gives me Gossip Girl vibes. It reminds me of that Gossip Girl episode.
Yes, that's already. Yeah. Okay, wait. Chuck Bass or Nate?
Nate for sure.
Chuck Bass, are you guys psycho?
You're a psychotic.
Mallory?
You called her Mallory.
Yeah,
That does not look right.
I'm gonna raise a dog.
That's her solution to this sad ending. Freshman year. We're not even sad. Not even sad. Not even sad. I'm not even sad. We're not even sad.
Happy vibes always.
We're not even sad.
Happy vibes always.
Happy vibes filter always.
I'm not saying bye. I'm saying ta-ta for now. Ta-ta. See you soon.
So sad.
It's been a good semester so far. It's not gonna end yet. We'll be back. To be continued.